Hey everyone, it's me Alex, welcome to a brand new video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to do a quick fix on a volume glitch on a Samsung Smart TV. So I don't know if you've noticed before that if you're watching TV or something, you push volume up or down, it doesn't do nothing, or mute. You keep pushing the volume on your remote and other stuff, but everything else works. If you push home, all that works. It opens up as Netflix, YouTube, or any of that. But every time you want to go or to change the volume, let me just push the switch again. It doesn't. It gets stuck on this volume, whatever volume it's at, and it doesn't do anything. Well, there is a quick fix that you can do before doing a factory reset. If this issue comes back after a few months or days, then a factory reset might help. But before you do a factory reset, you can do this quick little fix. All you do is press and hold the volume button on your remote until it shows Samsung Smart TV powered by Tizen on the display. It's like a quick little mini reboot or reset that helps like the boards inside reboot and fix themselves really quick. So I'm gonna place, as you can see, it's working out, but let's say it wasn't working out because I just did this a few days ago. All you do is hold it down. So you hold it when you want to make sure the TV's on. As you can see, I'm holding it, and until you see Samsung Smart TV, that's when you let go. There you go. So like that, you let go. You let go of the power button. And as you can see, it's gonna go to the input you were at, or in the Smart Hub, or it might just open up Samsung TV Plus. But now if you press volume, it's there. Now the volume should be there. And this either works if you're using the TV speakers or a soundbar connected via HDMI ARC. If you have a soundbar connected with an optical cable, you're not gonna have this issue because you're using the soundbar remote or receiver remote to control the volume. But if you were like me and I was also using HDMI ARC, it would also freeze. So this little reboot should help. So that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you can get notified every time I post a new video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next time in my next video. Bye!